Guys, in this quick tutorial I will show you that how to fix user mode services high CPU error in the Valorant Vanguard. So let me guide by two methods that how to fix it. First of all, you have to just open your search bar and then search here for your command prompt or CMD and then open it. So once you open it, you have to just put here the two commands one by one. The first one is sc space delete space vgc and then hit the enter. And the second command is sc space delete space vgk and then hit the enter again, and then put here the exit command and then hit the enter. After this, you have to just restart your system one time and your problem will be fixed. And the second method to solve this error is that you have to just uninstall your Valorant and again install it. Note one thing, that you must restart your system after reinstallation of your game. Hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's all for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more information, you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. So leave a like and a comment for this video. Also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.